yes, my people, this is your person Freedom Temple CYK Biafra. Thank you, all my fans, all the family. Greetings to all the family members. Remain blessed and stay cool. And for the new ones, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates so that anytime we post a video, you will be notified, and also you are highly welcome. We don't have to take much of our time. We only just go straight to the point. So my people, I want you to watch this news closely, attentively, and brilliantly. I will not tell you what it is. Or should I tell you? There's no need of me telling you. Then let's watch the video. Then after the video, we'll talk about it. So, watch.
The Nigerian Air Force 001 aircraft conveying President Muhammadu Buhari and his entourage arrived Sochi International Airport at 12:30 Tuesday morning local time. The president, accompanied by the governors of Ekiti, Gombe and Zamfara states, was received by a high-powered Russian government delegation led by the mayor of the city of Sochi as well as the Nigerian ambassador to Russia. Also at the airport were the Minister of Foreign Affairs, National Security Advisor, and other senior government officials. At the Russia-Africa Summit, President Buhari will join other African and Russian leaders to bring fresh perspectives on some global issues and challenges like nuclear technology, energy development, digital transformation, environment, technical security, mining and steel, education, agriculture, infrastructure, and development strategies. It was a warm and highly befitting welcome for the leader of the largest economy in Africa, President Muhammadu Buhari, by the Russian leader Vladimir Putin as he arrived for talks aimed at deepening ties between their countries. The president is one of the selected 5 African leaders to be hosted separately by President Putin during the summit, and perhaps the most significant. Apart from agreeing to work together towards developing Nigeria's enormous gas potentials and infrastructure, the two leaders also promised improving the efficiency of the nation's oil sector through the rehabilitation of epileptic refineries, as well as establishing a framework for a joint venture between the NNPC and Russia's leading oil company for oil prospection in the deep offshore.
There are many similarities between Russia's journey under your leadership and Nigeria's aspirations for the future. We can learn a lot from the experience of Russia's ongoing reforms of transitioning from an oil-dependent economy to a modern, diversified, and inclusive economy. Russia has, through these reforms, successfully privatized a number of state-owned entities, which have now become a global household names. This is especially so in the energy, manufacturing, defense, and the metallurgical sectors.
The issue of the uncompleted and abandoned Ajaokuta Steel Company was equally discussed, with President Buhari requesting for the return of Russia on a government-to-government relationship for the completion and inauguration of the plant, a proposal fully accepted by the Russian leader. Russia also agreed to develop Nigeria's rail infrastructure by the construction of a 1,400-kilometer rail line from Lagos to the south-south city of Calabar. Talks were also finalized on the advancement of the ongoing project for the establishment of a nuclear power plant in Nigeria. On security and military cooperation, President Buhari promised to renew the Nigeria-Russia military technical agreement, saying he had already directed the Ministers of Defense and Justice to conclude this matter within the shortest time possible. This agreement is expected to give impetus to further cooperation in the direct procurement of military hardware on a government-to-government basis at a less cost, as well as the training of military personnel, the modernization of the armed forces, and the renewal of their infrastructure and equipment, which President Putin promised to undertake. Discussions also centered on the Aluminium Smelter Company of Nigeria, Ikwadabasi, geological prospecting of Nigeria's solid minerals, education and agriculture, especially wheat production, as well as the enhancement of security in the Gulf of Guinea and indeed the country against piracy, oil theft, as well as terrorism and insurgency. To concretize all this and move forward, President Buhari made a case for the two countries to organize the 5th Joint Commission meeting to review and ratify all the 40 agreements contained in the Nigeria-Russia Joint Commission on Economic, Scientific and Technical Cooperation Protocol of 2016, a suggestion also accepted fully by the Russian leader.
I really hope that your visit to Russia will give a new impetus to our relations in all dimensions.
From Sochi, Russia.
People are welcome back. You see that I'm not happy. But there is no problem. Somebody that the house is burning is busy chasing a rat. Who is deceiving who here? Who they deceive each other? I don't understand. Eh? Now we they deceive or they deceive themselves. Then you say you need me to do road for you. They go say no money. 2020 budget they say no money. Anyone where you will be civilian, will be citizen demand, you go tell you say no money. Yet they travel all over the world. Eh? Seeing fellow officials say they do like this for news for because you feel I don't know whether I mad this may have been waiting. Say no money, but na pipe be this with the delay. See pipe. And they lay pipe every day. You demand for too much. No, but they need see the lay, you know, say that one way, that little way demand from them. You know there. No money, they travel all over the world. No money, they lay pipeline. Not be pipeline be this. I be not be money they take the land from Delta State now Abuja this pipeline they go so. But yet, no money. My people. Our mood don't do the talk. That time it's time for everybody to stop. Oh. Nigeria is not going to be better. And Nigeria, the best thing for Nigeria is division. And that division must come. Biafra must go. Must. Whether they like it or not. Biafra must go. If the Middle Belt want to go, they are free. But that country must definitely do what? Be divided. Must divide. Oh, hey Biafra. Of you to quench the fire that is burning, as in condemning, consuming your things. You decided no, you don't want to quench the fire, but you want to keep on chasing the rat. Continue chasing the rat. Before you realize it, all your things have got damaged. See that this man did not mean well for you people. Those of you that you are saying one Nigeria everywhere, you be one Nigeria every corner. Can you see now that this man did not mean anywhere for you? That even this man, he is not the real Buhari as.
This is Buhari right now, the one that ruled Nigeria. Nigeria, watch his face, and you will understand everything very clear. This is the man that I call him Buhari. Then I will show you his last meeting and interview in 2015. This is his last interview in 2015. You'll see him talking. This is the right Buhari. This is the Ben Buhari. And now, this is the new Buhari that is ruling Nigeria. Nigeria opens your eyes and know, because we are not fools. And this is why he is now, and check the man that is here now. You can never bring old age back. So watch life. This is he talking. That is not Photoshop. I want every Nigeria to see. This is the current man they called Buhari that is ruling you now. Is this Buhari? Nigeria opens their mouth. This man is Jubilee. This man is an impostor. This is what I want Nigeria to understand. That this is not Buhari. If this is Buhari, Aisha will not be intimidated in Asoroko. Let Nigeria open their eyes and ask Buhari for Q&A. This is all I have to tell Nigeria.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader has been saying it earlier. He's saying it since. They are just trying to cover, as in the Fulanis. They just want to try to cover them, to help them to cover up their mess. If you had watched the video closely, as in if you had looked around, that was why I did not say anything before playing this video. If you had looked around, you would have seen that the people sitting beside him, that all was not okay with them. If you can study or read people, you see that all was not okay with them while he was speaking. So anyway, that is not my issue. My issue is that Biafrans, we must sit up. We must sit up. What we are fighting, the fight that we are fighting is not a physical battle, but what a spiritual battle. Our enemies, they are not asleep. And we also, we are not asleep, because our God is what? Is able God. Chukwu Kikabiama is more powerful than every other gods. So let them do their worst. Let them continue strong. Let them travel all over the world. Yes, the last time was America, now is Russia. There is no problem. Let him travel to anywhere, any part of the world that you feel like that he wishes to travel to. You should go ahead and travel. What he knows is traveling. Traveling. He don't even care about you, the citizens. What he knows is anywhere they push him, go here, he go. Push him, go here, he go. The Senate, they are there complaining that the Mr. President, when they say this, you say you don't know. They say this, you say you don't know. They say this, you say you don't know. Which one will you admit that you know? Which one will you admit that you are aware of? Why is he going to admit? Why should he admit that he's aware of this or that while he was busy traveling? My dear lovely people, here we are standing is Biafra, and Biafra we must get. Biafra is our mission, and we must restore our land. Biafra. You see your Jubilee is busy traveling while a lot of atrocities are happening down there where you are, and you still think that all is well with Nigeria. You still think that one Nigeria is still going to bear fruit. I pity you. I pity you. It's better, the earlier the better, for you people to sit up. Those of you who are still sitting down there saying, let's pray for Nigeria. Nigeria will be better. Nigeria will change. Nigeria will definitely grow bigger tomorrow. Sorry for you. Sorry for you. Don't forget, I'm still your person. Freedom Temple, CYK Biafra. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Stay cool and remain blessed. Catch you.